let's say we have one. This is the first thing you need to understand when you're preparing for CAT in a short-term framework. Now, the objective of CAT is not the CAT. The objective of CAT is to get to a top B school, so that you can kickstart the next part of your career, right? A top B school at whatever stage you are at might mean many things to different people, but definitely one thing it will mean for most of you will be at least a 3x to 4x on your income. And you need to do that. You need desperately to do that, because if you are a normal graduate in today's world, I'm not saying that you can't succeed, but if you're going up the corporate ladder in a job scenario where you'll reach at the age of 40, somebody is at 3x or 4x financially, where you reach at the age of 40, somebody who is at 3x, 4x, who starts at 3x, 4x, will reach that stage maybe by the age of 28, 30, in 5 to 7 years of starting off. So imagine somebody who's at a 5-7 lakh package. So if you are at a 5 to 7 lakh package versus you are at starting your career at a 20 lakh package, what you would the kind of financial security, not just financial security, also the kind of impact you'll create. Maybe the impact you'll create by the age of 40, 50 will still not be equated to something this guy will do at 35. So the logic of why you want to do an MBA should be clear to you. You are doing it kickstart the next phase of your career, the next jump in your career. And that context, what I tell people, the first thing you have to understand is that when you're planning an MBA, you should ideally, the way you should plan it should be that I want to go to this level of colleges. When I was planning my MBA, I had told myself that it has to be IMA, B or C, nothing else. उस टाइम इतने अच्छे कॉलेजेस भी नहीं थे, MDI नहीं था, IIM लखनऊ भी बहुत उस टाइम qualitatively poor था supposedly, or there were not so many other good colleges. XLRI था maybe, so maybe I just told myself I am ABC or XLRI. They are the 4 colleges I'm going to. इसके बाहर कुछ होगा तो I'll give myself another attempt. So when I was giving my first CAT in my final year of graduation, so I had that was CAT 92 that I gave, 1992. So I had given myself the option, and I had opened myself to the option that I'll give CAT 93, 94, 95 and 96. I'll give myself 5 years, but MBA मैं यहीं से करूँगा, इसके अलावा मैं नहीं करूँगा. Right? So why this strategy works in the context of, I was passing out in 93. This was my passing out year. So why this strategy works is because MBA is not a getting out of college course. कि कॉलेज से निकले तो MBA तुम immediately क्यों नहीं एंटर किया? And MBA, your college passing out year to +3 year entry, +4 years entry तक चलता है. In some cases, even +5 years from your passing out year, you can enter an MBA course, right? And typically, as I realized when I reached IIM Bangalore in 93, अगर मैं मेरे लिए ideal होता कि मैं IIM Bangalore 95 में जाता, अगर उसी IIM में जाना होता तो it would have been ideal for me. I would have learned more and got more out of the course in the 95-97 batch than I got out of the 93-95 batch in which I was, because I would have gained more perspective in these 2 years about this thing. तो ये एक factor है, but of course यहाँ पे obviously there are some people who are already working, so it's not that all of you are just outside college or just finishing college.